Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to use Microsoft Teams for school or education on your computer. First, open your browser and go to teams.microsoft.com or open the Microsoft Teams desktop app if you already have it installed. Sign in using your school email address and password. Your school usually provides these details. Once you're signed in, you'll see the Teams section on the left-hand side. Each of your classes will appear as a separate team. Click on the class you want to open. Inside you'll find channels, which help organize lessons, announcements, and assignments. For class meetings, click the calendar icon on the left. Here you can join scheduled lessons by selecting Join. When you're in the meeting, you can use tools like Raise Hand to ask questions, chat to message your teacher and classmates, and share screen if you need to present your work to check. Your homework or assignments? Go to the Assignments tab within your class team. Here you'll see tasks given by your teacher, along with deadlines. Click on an assignment, complete the work, and then upload your file to submit it for class. Resources: teachers often upload notes or files in the Files tab. You can open or download them anytime. Finally, if you need to message your teacher privately, just use the chat option from the sidebar. Search for their name and start a one-on-one conversation, and that's it. That's how you can use Microsoft Teams for school or education on your computer.